Hi, it's Dina here. Let's talk about rosemary essential oil. So, rosemary essential oil is a totally awesome oil. I didn't always know this. Years ago, I thought that rosemary was just something that you put on your kid's head when you want to ward off lice. And I would like drip it on their skull and scalp and comb it and whatever. I don't know. I don't know if it worked, but rosemary is so much more than a lice repellent. Rosemary has like analgesic properties. Okay, it's a painkiller, so that's why we use it in all of TerraCure's creams. We have rosemary in every single one of the creams because it's good for all musculoskeletal issues. So we're talking back and knees and joints and whatnot. Also, because it has 1.8 cineol in it, which is a chemical type, it's very good for respiratory issues. So it's good for coughs and congestion. Put it on your chest. You put it on your back. You can put it on your forehead. It really helps. It really helps when you have a cold. It's very good for hair issues. People who feel like they're losing their hair, they can use it on the scalp, and it helps to actually generate hair growth because it's got a chemical type in there that actually is something that is good for regeneration. It's good also for skin for that reason because it helps regenerate the skin. Of course, you never want to use it without a carrier oil. But when you're using TerraCure creams, the creams is the carrier oil. So you never want to use an essential oil neat in most cases. You don't put an essential oil directly on your skin ever because it can hurt you. Okay, I think maybe the exception is lavender, maybe also tea tree, but rosemary oil you definitely don't use directly on your skin. By the way, you also don't use it on children. You have to be careful with kids, let's say up till age 10. You don't put it on their face or near their eyes or anything. You have to be careful when you're dealing with kids. I don't think it's good for pets either, but that's just an aside. What else is rosemary good for? It's good as an antifungal when you use it in conjunction with clove. Okay, that's just something that's really good to know. It's an awesome essential oil. When you're feeling down, like in the middle of the afternoon, and your brain is just not there anymore, you can take a whiff of essential oil, and it gets things moving because it's very good for the circulation, especially cerebral circulation. So it gets the brain moving. It gets the blood moving in your brain. Rosemary is just one of the super. It's one of the super. I didn't even like the smell. I didn't used to like the way it smelled, but now I love it. It's a little bit similar to mint. It's not like mint, but it's got that tang or something, and it just I can smell it a lot, and I know that it's just really good for me to smell it, and it's also really good for my body to use it. Now every single one of TerraCure's creams contains rosemary. Okay. All of them contain rosemary, and in each different cream, there are also other oils that are good for different things like circulation, like anti-inflammatory, or stopping muscle spasms. But rosemary is in all of them because rosemary is an amazing, amazing oil that I think everybody should have in their cabinet. Even just to smell or to use in a diffuser. My diffuser's not on, but here I have my diffuser always, and I put different oils in it because oils are awesome. They don't just smell good, but they really do things. They affect you. They do things to your brain. They do things to your respiratory system. And if you don't use too much of it, they just do exceptionally amazing things. So that's about it for rosemary. I encourage you to go to our site, TerraCureProducts.com. Have a look at our creams. We've got loads of reviews and testimonials from people that also think our creams are awesome. And just look around, and you can even look at the blog. We have articles about essential oils, articles about minerals. Have a look. Thanks for listening, and you'll see me again. Bye.